Hi everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 58 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is importance of discipline in student life. So, discipline is that bridge which provides us road to success. It shortens distance between our dream and success. Many people believe that success is about luck, is about smart work, but apart from that, success is about also discipline and consistency. A person who maintains discipline, su- sup- a person who does maintain discipline is a half winner because he is continuously disciplined and he is continuously working on that. Discipline bring us consistency. A person who is a student who is studying, and when he follow his routine in disciplined way, he will definitely achieve success in life. Many people what they believe that successful people are successful because of their luck and smart work. But when we closely look at those successful people, we understand that they are not successful because of their smart work or luck. They are successful because of their discipline, because they follow a routine. For example, Akshay Kumar, he used to wake up at 4 a.m. He used to do 2 hours exercise and then he used to come back to his work. So he is following a discipline, he is following a routine. That's why he's successful now. Shah Rukh Khan also, you can say, he is also a disciplined person. Many famous person who have been successful in life only because of discipline, only because of their consistency. So we as a student, we should also understand that, and we should also be follow routine as it is useful for us. We should not copy others, but yes, we should maintain our own routine, maintain our own discipline, and maintain our own consistency. Discipline has many benefits. First of all, it's give consistency to your work. Second is that in student life, discipline help us to perform well in exam, as well as when you regularly study in disciplined manner, at exam time you will not feel stress, you will not feel burden. Many people what they do, why in competitive exam 10% people succeed while 90% not. It's because they are studying, they are making hard work, but they are not following discipline, they are not consistent. They are studying, but they don't know in what direction they are studying. They are studying in wrong direction. For example, they are studying one subject in a day, whole day they spend on that subject. They are not following a discipline, not following a routine. That's why they are lacking behind. So for that, we should understand, for student, it is really important to understand how to be consistent, how to be disciplined. And so that's why I have chosen this topic today, as I am also a student, I am also preparing, so I know better why discipline is more important in student life. So discipline shorten the distance between dream and success, and it help us our dream to become reality. When we are disciplined, when we are consistent, it improve our chance to become successful in life. So that's all for today's video, and I will conclude that discipline is that weapon which can bring you success in less amount of time, in less span of time. And consistency comes from only discipline. So it depends on you how you want to live your life. You have to live as a regret, or you have to live as a successful in life. It depends on you. So that's all for today's video, and thank you. And if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. And if any doubt, you can comment me. And if any question, or if you think that I have done something mistake, you can comment me. I will be very happy to give your answer. in comment. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and